In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix once human performance issues. So in case you're lagging inside the game, this will help you kinda remove that, okay? What you want to do is click escape first on your keyboard and then go inside your settings. Then over here inside settings, you want to go to video. And inside video, as you can see, you have the display mode. And we can leave this as it is. It doesn't really matter. If you have a good resolution, you can leave it as it is. But the performance tab over here is what's really important. If you're lagging inside the game, what you want to do is set this where it says graphics to very low, okay? This will dramatically boost your performance and boost your FPS. You should also have texture quality on low, and then render scale not to 100 but a little lower, okay? You should have shade on low, VFX on low, basically everything on low and disabled if it's possible, and that will drastically improve your FPS. If it may even go over 60, so you can just change it to like 120 or no restrictions, so you can get more FPS out of it, and that's pretty much it, okay? That's the tab you want to play with, and you want to simply lower down the graphics and lower down the kind of texture quality, and you'll see that it will work much better, and the game will work much better for you. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, make sure to help me out as well and subscribe to this channel.